Today we're looking at 5 Amazon gadgets designed to make everyday tasks quicker, cleaner, or just a little more convenient. You've got tools for organizing your space, speeding up meal prep, handling wrinkles, tackling small DIY jobs, and even replacing disposable cans of compressed air. So, starting with number 5, let's get into the list. Starting at number 5 is the SUPVAN T50M Pro, a compact Bluetooth label maker designed for everything from home organization to office supplies and small business labeling. Instead of typing directly on the machine, you can connect it to a phone and design labels through the companion app. SUPVAN says the T50M platform supports labels from roughly 20 to 50 millimeters wide, uses 203 dpi thermal printing, and doesn't require traditional ink or toner. It can handle things like storage bin labels, food container labels, file organization, QR codes, product information, and more. That thermal printing setup is probably its biggest convenience. You don't have cartridges to replace just to keep making labels. It's also rechargeable, so you don't need to leave it permanently connected to a computer. For someone trying to organize a kitchen, home office, garage, or small workspace, this turns labeling into a much quicker process. But number 4 is for a completely different kind of everyday task, and this one is especially satisfying to watch. At number 4 is the Fullstar Original Pro Vegetable Chopper, one of those kitchen gadgets where the benefit becomes obvious almost immediately. Instead of repeatedly cutting vegetables by hand, you place the food over the blade, press the top down, and the pieces fall directly into the collection container underneath. This 4-in-1 version includes interchangeable stainless steel cutting options for fine dicing, medium dicing, ribbon cutting, and spiralizing. It also uses a non-slip base and includes cleaning tools for working around the blades. For things like onions, peppers, cucumbers, potatoes, and other meal prep ingredients, the main advantage is consistency and speed. And because everything drops into the container, you can reduce some of the mess you normally get from chopping across a cutting board. The trade-off is obvious. This gadget takes up more storage space than a knife, and the blades still need to be handled carefully during use and cleaning. But if you prepare a lot of vegetables at once, it's easy to see why this type of chopper remains popular. Number 3 swaps the kitchen for your closet, and it's designed for those moments when an outfit looks like it just came out of a suitcase. Number 3 is the BEAUTURAL Handheld Garment Steamer, designed for quick wrinkle removal without setting up a traditional ironing board. This model uses a 1200-watt heating system and an aluminum heating plate, with BEAUTURAL listing a heat-up time of around 35 seconds. It also has a detachable 260 milliliter water tank, which gives you more capacity than many ultra-small travel steamers. Once it's ready, you can run the steamer over hanging clothes and use the continuous steam to relax wrinkles. That's useful when you're getting ready for work, touching up clothes before going out, or dealing with garments that have been sitting folded in a closet or suitcase. At roughly 1.7 pounds, it's still relatively easy to handle, although it's more of a compact handheld steamer than an ultra-mini travel device. One important detail: this specific listing is rated for 120 volts, so buyers should check electrical compatibility before treating it as an international travel steamer. Next, we're moving from clothing care to something that's useful whenever you need to assemble, tighten, or repair something around the house. At number 2 is the HOTO 25-piece electric screwdriver kit. This one sits between a basic manual screwdriver and a much larger cordless drill. The kit includes 25 different bits covering common Phillips, hex, Torx, slotted, positive, square, tri-wing, and other fastener types, along with an extension bar and magnetic storage case. The exact Amazon model you selected is HOTO's QWLSD11. It offers 3 torque settings, with up to 4 Nm in electric operation, and the ability to apply up to 8 Nm manually when more control is needed. There's also an LED light around the front of the screwdriver to illuminate the screw you're working on. A 1500 mAh rechargeable battery powers the tool with USB-C charging. That makes it useful for jobs such as assembling furniture, tightening cabinet hardware, working on electronics, or handling other lighter-duty household projects where pulling out a large drill would be unnecessary. The limitation is just as important. This isn't meant to replace a full-size drill or impact driver for heavy construction work. It's more about having a compact powered screwdriver that's ready for everyday jobs. Finishing the list at number 1 is the WOLFBOX MF60 electric air duster. Instead of buying disposable cans of compressed air over and over, this is a rechargeable blower built around a high-speed brushless motor. WOLFBOX says the MF60 offers 3 speed levels, around 25,000 RPM for lighter cleaning, 60,000 RPM for general dusting, and up to 110,000 RPM at its highest setting. That gives you enough flexibility to use gentler airflow around delicate areas, or increase the power when you're dealing with dust trapped inside keyboards, computer cases, vents, or narrow spaces. It uses two 2500 mAh batteries and weighs about half a pound, so it's still small enough to hold comfortably and move around your workspace. WOLFBOX lists up to 240 minutes of runtime at the lowest setting, although actual runtime will depend heavily on which power level you're using. And that's what makes this one especially interesting for a gadget video. The effect is immediately visible. Dust goes in one direction very quickly. For people who regularly clean computers, keyboards, camera equipment, car interiors, or small hard-to-reach areas, a rechargeable air duster can also reduce dependence on disposable compressed air cans. Just keep in mind that the 110,000 RPM figure and runtime specifications are manufacturer claims rather than independent Bright Choice Guide test results. And those are 5 Amazon gadgets designed to make everyday tasks a little easier. Whether it's organizing your space, speeding up food prep, getting wrinkles out of clothes, handling small repairs, or clearing dust from hard-to-reach places, every product here solves a very different problem. You'll find links to all 5 products in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, like the video and subscribe to Bright Choice Guide for more useful gadgets, products, and buying guides.